Hello there and welcome to the October 2020 exam. Here we're looking at question 9. So the cubic equation 3x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 1 has roots alpha, beta, gamma. Without solving the equation, determine the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta plus 1 over gamma. So 1 over beta plus 1 over gamma plus 1 over beta, we could create common denominators here and start adding them together. So the first one can be represented as beta gamma over alpha beta gamma. The next one is alpha gamma over alpha beta gamma. And the next one is going to be beta gamma over alpha beta gamma. So let's add all this together now. Sorry, the last one's wrong. Alpha beta. So let's add this together. It's going to be alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma over alpha beta gamma. And this is equal to the sum of the doubles over the triple one, alpha beta gamma. Now the sum of the doubles is equal to C over A, and the sum of the triples is equal to minus D over A. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. We could probably cancel out the A's on the top and the bottom, so it's now just minus C over D. So C is minus 4, so minus 4 would be 4 over D, which is 1, so it's 1, so that answer there is 4. So the answer to part A is 4. And moving on to part B, so this is quite a difficult part B here. Let's have a look at it. So it's find a cubic equation that has roots 1 over alpha, 1 over beta, 1 over gamma, giving your answer in the form x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are integers to be determined. Now this question is a little bit difficult. You can't do that little method that we usually do where we just set w equal to the transformation. This has to be done a little bit differently. Now what we've already got is the sum of our roots. So we know that the sum of our roots is 4. Now we need the sum of the doubles. So what the sum of the doubles is going to look like is 1 over alpha beta plus 1 over alpha gamma plus 1 over beta gamma. And let's add all of these together. So that's going to be gamma over alpha beta plus beta over alpha gamma plus alpha over beta. Oh, sorry, we've made all these common denominators now, haven't we? So there we are, that's what they equal. So now let's, what do we get here? We have the sum of the singles here over the triple one. So the sum of the singles is minus b over a over, and this one at the bottom here is minus d over a. So if we cancel down, it's just equal to b over d, and b is 1, and d is 1 as well, so it's equal to 1. So that's what the sum of the doubles are. Let's now do the triple one, and it's just going to be 1 over alpha beta gamma, and 1 over alpha beta gamma is equal to 1 over minus d over a. So that's going to be 1 over minus a third, so that's going to be minus 3. So what do we now know? We now know the sum of the singles. The sum of the singles is 4. We know the sum of the doubles is 1. And we know the sum of the triples is minus 3. So therefore we can now form our little equation. So this here is equal to sum of the singles is minus b over a. This one here is equal to c over a. And this one here is equal to minus d over a. So if we now set just a equal to 1, then it's going to be x cubed. And then b is going to be minus 4, so it would be minus 4x squared. C is going to equal 1, so that would be plus x, and then it's going to be, now minus d is minus 3, so that's actually going to be plus 3 equals 0. So there we are, that's the answer to this question here. Doing this So yeah, that's 3 marks. So that's question 9, worth 6 marks in total there. Let's now move on to the final question of the paper, question 10.